freight train, won't you run so fast? Freight train, run so fast. I don't care, honey, what train that I'm on, just as long as she keeps rolling on. A freight train, run so fast. Freight train, run so fast. Please don't you tell them now what train that I'm on, then they won't know where it is I gone. Where'd he go, man? Lord, won't you please bury me somewhere down by that big white old Mississippi, where I can hear that old number 9. Lordy, she comes rolling on by, roll on by. When I'm dead, yeah, and laying in my old grave, no more good times here will I crave. Just play some old stones, honey, at my head and my feet, and just tell 'em, baby, I gone to sleep. On that freight train, won't you run so fast? Freight train, run so fast. I don't care, honey, what train that I'm on, just as long as she keeps rolling on. Roll on there, buddy. Dead Lord, lay in my old grave. No more good times here will I crave. Just play some old stones, honey, in my head and my feet, and just tell 'em I gone to sleep. On that freight train, won't you run so fast? Freight train, run so fast. I don't care, honey, what train that I'm on, just as long she keeps rolling on. So please don't you tell them what train that I'm on, then they won't know where it is I gone. All right, Richard. Yeah, thanks. Elizabeth Cotton, God bless her. What a neat little woman. I walked her around Mariposa Folk Festival one year, carried her guitar for her, and she took me by the arm. Said, take me where I'm supposed to go. Marvelous little woman.